Now where have they got to? Shabby flock, I do wish they would keep up. No discipline. That's the trouble with the goslings of today.
They're probably tired, dear. We have been marching for an awfully long time.
Poppycock, do you prefer that we fly with a shoot on the marsh? I think not, my sweet. This way. Excuse me, I was wondering if you could help. Keep walking, dear. Eyes front. UFO at 4 o'clock. You see, I'm lost. No excuse for bad navigation. A bird who gets caught off his flight path doesn't deserve his wings. That's what I always say, isn't it, dear?
Always, dear.
But I can't even fly. I've got lost on foot. Infantry, eh? Messy business.
He's only a youngster. Maybe we should direct him, give him his marching orders.
Very well. We are geese, migrants, you know. Birds of passage. Run a tight fleet. Wouldn't do for us to lose our way, what?
Well, dear, there was a time we ended up in the Wayward Islands.
Windward, dear, windward. And that was a different matter entirely. Weak thermals, strong headwinds, blown off course.
So how come my sister managed to get to Fort Lauderdale?
Yes, quite.
Where were you trying to get to?
Back to my mother on the lake. I think it must be in that direction. I saw some ducks flying over there a couple minutes ago. Well, if you did, it was probably their last flying mission, what? What do you mean? Haven't you heard of ground to air? Bang, bang, pop, pop, what? No.
There's a shoot on the march, dear. It's very dangerous.
What's a shoot?
It's a people sport. One group of men move through the march, scaring ducks into the air, while a second group with guns shoot them back into the air again.
The cat warned me about people. The cat? Yes, you see, I went off with this cat. His parents probably wanted to get rid of the ugly blighter.
Didn't your mother tell you how dangerous a cat is?
Well, yes, she did, but enemy. Nasty piece of work. Pull your wishbone as soon as look at you. But he said he was my friend.
You don't want friends like that, dear. Your mother was right to warn you.
She was? Gun dogs. They must be starting the shoot again. Time for maneuvers. I'd hoped it wouldn't have come to this, but I have no option. All right, at ease. Company, fall in. I didn't mean literally. All right, eyes front. Let's have a look at you. Barnacles. When I say eyes front, I'd hope that your body would naturally be facing in a similar direction.
Sorry, Wing Commander.
Pinkfoot, you've trodden in something. How many times have I told you to mind your own business? See to it. Snowy? Never mind. All right, men, at ease. Now listen very carefully. We have received orders to embark on a very delicate, not to say dangerous mission.
One of those, is it?
Our task is one of reconnaissance and reunification.
Oh, here we go. Translation dot. The duckling's lost his mom. Bless him. And we're going to find her. If that's what he means, why doesn't he just say it? You can always tell a pompous goose by its pidgin English.
All right, men, attention! We have received orders to take part in an exercise, the likes of which we have not faced before. You are a fine body of geese, and I know you will give of your very best. Good luck, men. We're off on a wild goose chase. We will be no stranger to danger. The squadron will show no fear.
We're off, and no matter where we roam, although the mind boggles this year, the goggles is sure to find.
Don't worry, I'll navigate.
That's what I was afraid of.
We're off on a wild goose chase. It's a thankless task, but we ask who can do it as well as we. We're off, keen to solve its problems, trucks. For what could be grander than having a gander for able missing ducks?
Excuse me, sir. Cattails advancing from the rear.
What? I think we've spoken before on the subject of your spectacles. Barnacles, get them checked. Cattails do not advance. One of the things they're most famous for is being rooted on the spot.
Hello, ducky. Thought I lost you.
Stand back or I'll peck.
Oh, be still my quaking legs. I'm going to be goose.
What are you doing here?
I've come to take you home. Your mother is carrying something fearful.
My mother? You've seen my mother?
Why, of course, she sent me to fetch you. Special envoy.
Listen here, Cat. I'm in command around here, and my squadron has taken personal charge of the duckling's safe return to his mother.
Well, I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns?
We'll commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting is over.
It's their party, but we'll fly over if we want to.
Silence in the ranks.
Maybe I could be of some assistance. I'll go over to the chute and I'll let you know when they're putting away for the day.
Very well. And no funny business. I know several ways to skin your type.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
We're off on a wild goose chase.
You may think it odd that a squad such as ours can perform this role.
We're off and prove that's not the case.
Avoid the ack surge, but squack whack
And
and
then return to base.
Gentlemen, present kazoos. We are about to face our most perilous mission to date. I must hardly warn you of the risks involved and the ultimate price that we may have to pay. As we fly into glory, I want you to know how very proud I am of this squadron. Keep a stiff upper beat bend and remember our motto: Semper Victoriam non patente foigra.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot, and I'm your senior flight attendant. And on behalf of Captain Greyland, I would like to welcome you to this afternoon's flight over Bonnie Marshland on Fly. We'll be cruising at an altitude of several feet and flying in a rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of emergency landing, we ask that you observe the safety procedures we have been through so many times before. We hope you have a pleasant journey, and thank you for choosing Goose Air, the fluffy skies.
We're off to assure this duckling is not so glum. We won't be back until we found
The coast is clear. They're putting away their guns.
Do you swear?
I swear it on one of my lives.
All right. Men, final check. Oh, and here's your parachutes.
For me.
You don't think I'm going to leave you here with the duckling, do you? Oh no, Puss, you're coming with us.
Oh, cat litter.
our wings are spread.